Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make lemonade. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and tools. You'll need about 6 to 8 fresh, ripe lemons, which typically yield 1 cup of juice. Also, have 1 cup of granulated sugar and 4 cups of cold water ready. Don't forget a large pitcher, a reliable juicer, and a small saucepan for preparing the simple syrup. These items are key to a delicious, refreshing drink. Next, we'll create the simple syrup, which ensures your lemonade isn't grainy. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1 cup of water. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring continuously until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. This usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Once clear, remove the syrup from the heat and let it cool down to room temperature before mixing. Now for the star ingredient, the lemons. Juice your 6 to 8 fresh lemons until you have about 1 cup of vibrant, fresh lemon juice. Strain out any seeds or pulp if you prefer a smoother drink. Pour the cooled simple syrup and the fresh lemon juice into your large pitcher. Then, add 3 cups of cold water. Stir everything together very well to ensure all the flavors are perfectly blended. Your homemade lemonade is almost ready. For the best taste, chill the lemonade in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully and ensures a refreshing temperature. When serving, pour it over plenty of ice. You can also garnish each glass with a fresh lemon slice or a sprig of mint for an extra touch of elegance. Enjoy your perfectly balanced, homemade lemonade.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.